Get a feel for the 2019 Dodge Durango. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, third-row seat, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, tire pressure monitoring system. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.